Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to create your custom Rush server. In the beginning, let's go to community and go to my experiences. Scan this QR code or go to portalbattlefield.com. You'll be redirected to this portal. This is the platform next to which you can create your custom servers. Select Create New, Verified Modes and Rush. Start editing. Right here you can set up everything about your server, from custom settings, map rotations, themes settings, modifier for gameplay, soldier, vehicle, UI, bots, restrictions for classes, weapons, vehicle, gadgets. In the end, you just simply have to publish it. Submit, publishing, and it's done. Before, make sure that you are connected to your account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.